Good morning. Myself Guruswami K, Assistant Professor in Physics. Now I am going to deliver a third lecture on statistical mechanics. This chapter comes under paper 6 for third BSc program, like so fifth semester, and this comes under Kuvempu University. Now I am going to discuss the learning objectives of this session. In this session, we have to know the meaning of statistics and distribution function, write and interpret MB statistics, concept of indistinguishability applied to quantum gas, and counting number of microstates in the absence of Pauli's exclusion principle, that is BE case, that is Bose-Einstein statistics case. Session outcomes. From this session, later we came to know that understanding of terms statistics and distribution, able to analyze Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics and draw graphs related to it, and lastly understanding of how the concept of indistinguishability affects the number of microstates for a given thermodynamic state. Prerequisites for this session: we have to know the concept of uncertainty principle and indistinguishability. And secondly, good understanding of exponential function and its graphical representation. And lastly, symbolic representation, that is summation Pi, product summation, that is equal to P1 into P2 into so on into Pn. These are the requisites are needed to understand the concepts should be covered in this session. Now we have to know what is statistics and distribution functions. What do you mean by statistics? Distribution of n number of particles into various energy states, that is Ni of Ei, is a statistics. Here the types of the particles involved decides the nature of the statistics, that is N of E, whether it is MB statistics or BE statistics or FD statistics. If the system, statistical system, if it is composed of any gas molecules, then that type of statistical system is what we call the MB statistics. If the statistical system composed of bosons, then those statistical systems are referred as Bose-Einstein statistics. Or if the statistical system, if it is consists of fermions, then that type of statistics is called as Fermi-Dirac statistics, that is represented by N of E. That is equal to G of E into F of E. Then what is meant by G of E? Number of states corresponds to the given energy. That is what we call density of energy state. Just in the previous discussion, I am quoting the definition for this density of energy state. The possible number of energy state per unit energy range. That is what we call the density of energy state. Next, Fe, F of E, that is a distribution function or probability distribution function. The number of particles are occupying the given energy state is what we call the probability distribution, or simply called as distribution function. Now we have to discuss what is MB statistics. The scientists Maxwell and Boltzmann, they developed these statistics. This statistics describes the average distribution of non-interacting material particles over various energy states in thermal equilibrium. It is applicable when the temperature is high enough or the particle density is low enough to render quantum effects negligible. This is what we call classical statistics. Thereby, these two conditions are very much necessary. Okay, if these two conditions are fulfilled, then we may use this MB statistics or MB distribution law to explain the average behavior of the given statistical system, that is usually a thermodynamical system. Just MB statistic distribution. In our syllabus, there is no derivation connected with MB statistics. Just we have to mention the distribution, MB distribution, that is number of particles distributed in the given energy. Let's consider here Ni be the number of particles distributed in EI energy level, and that is equal to Gi into e to the power of minus alpha and into e to the power of minus beta EI. Here Gi is the ith cell, and alpha and beta are undetermined multipliers. For this MB statistics, alpha has some constant value that is replaced by capital K, and beta is equal to 1 by kT, where K is the Boltzmann constant and T is the absolute temperature. So we may express this MB distribution as Ni is equal to Gi into A into e to the power of minus Ei by kT. MB distribution function, that is FMB is equal to Ni by Gi. Actually we are going to define distribution function as F is equal to Ni by Gi, total number of particles divided by the given cell, that is a Gi cell. So Ni by Gi is equal to A into e to the power of minus Ei by kT. That may be represented in simplest way as capital A divided by some constant A divided by e to the power of Ei by kT. Now we are going to explain the distribution of these particles with respect to different energy state by using MB statistics. In the case of MB statistics, if you plot a graph of possible number of particles, relative number of particles along y-axis and energy along x-axis. Here we are observing the distribution of particles are like this. There is an exponential decrease in this distribution of particles. Most here we found that at the lowest energy state, the number of particles distributed is maximum. As one moves from the lowest energy state to higher energy states, we found that the relative number of particles goes on decreasing and attains a minimum. Okay, this is what the exponential distribution of the relative number of particles with energy that can be explained by using MB statistics or MB distribution law. Now from classical to quantum statistics, after the discussion of MB statistics, here MB statistics is a classical statistics. And secondly, replace classical point like particles with quantum particles. Then we have moved to classical statistics to quantum statistics. Again, at low temperature or high particle density, quantum nature dominates. This classical statistics is applicable at high temperature and low particle density. If we move to low temperature or high particle density, quantum nature dominates, thereby uncertainty principle prevents us by distinguish the quantum particles. Thereby indistinguishable nature of particles comes into picture. So we are going to use the quantum mechanical laws to govern the characteristics associated with the particles involved in the system. So we use quantum statistics like Fermi-Dirac statistics and Bose-Einstein statistics. Lastly, this indistinguishability affects drastically the microstate counting. This indistinguishability affects drastically the microstate counting. Now we are going to discuss microstate counting in quantum statistics. When there is no limitation on number of particles, okay, now we are going to consider two energy levels. One is zero energy, another one is E. Two identical particles are also considered, two energy levels. So distinguishable particles, if the particles are distinguishable, then the possible microstates are 4 that can be illustrated here. This is for classical statistics, that is MB statistics. Here both the particles, say here A and B, say both are in high energy state, there is a probability, one probability. Another probability is one is high state, another one is lower energy state, or vice versa. And the last state is both are in the lower energy state and no particle in the energy. These are the 4 possibilities. Secondly, if we move to the quantum statistics, there we found that the particles are identical and indistinguishable. So it is difficult to distinguish the particles. Thereby, both the particles are seems to be named as A and A. There is a probability of occupying each energy state by each one particle. Say this is the one probability. Another probability is both the particles may present in the higher energy state and no particle in the lower energy state. And converse probability is this one, no particle in the higher energy state and both the particles in the lower energy state. This is thereby the possible microstates for the quantum statistics is 3. Counting the number of ways in which n identical indistinguishable particles are distributed into g number of boxes, as W is equal to n plus g minus 1 factorial divided by ni factorial into g minus 1 factorial. Here n number of particles are to be distributed in g minus 1 subsections. If you consider a statistical system that may be divided into some sections, say g sections, then we are going to get g minus 1 partitions. Then we may distribute the capital N number of particles in the g minus 1 sections as W is equal to n plus g minus 1 factorial divided by n factorial into g minus 1 factorial. This should be contrasted with classical distinguishable particle case, that is classical statistics, say MB statistics. Then the number of distinguishable ways we are going to arranging the particles should be is equal to g to the power of n. Recap of this session. From this session we came to know that the types of statistics and distribution function, that is MB statistics and distribution function, and MB distribution function. Okay. Next, counting of possible number of ways to distribute indistinguishable particles into boxes. Counting of possible number of ways to distribute indistinguishable particle into boxes. Okay, this is about the recap of this session. Thank you.